first thing we're going to do is place the Kinkajou over the bottle. And then we're going to tighten the screws on both sides, and you want to make it even. So after you tighten the screws, you're going to close the clamps on the left and the right, and then you're going to put the blade down in the middle. This is a close-up of me putting the blade onto the bottle. I've found that the best way to get an even score line around the whole bottle is to hold the Kinkajou in your left hand and twist the bottle with your right hand. Doing this will provide you with an even scoreline around the whole bottle. Here I am cutting a beer bottle. I'm holding the Kinkajou with my left hand and rotating the bottle with my right hand. The next step of this process is to heat up water, and you don't want to boil the water, you just want it hot enough to break the bottle. Next, you're going to take your two separation ties. You're going to put one below your score line, about half an inch, and you're going to put the other one half an inch to an inch above your score line. Here I am applying the separation ties to the beer bottle. The separation ties are made of rubber, so you can easily adjust them to make them bigger or smaller to fit whatever size bottle you have. In the sink, I've laid a towel to catch any extra glass that comes off when the bottle breaks. I'm pouring some hot water onto the bottle first, and now I'm going to turn the cold water on for my sink. You're going to repeat this process until you hear a clink, and that's when the bottle is broken. So beer bottles break much faster than a thicker bottle like a wine bottle. The wine bottle took a couple of tries to get it to finally break. The beer bottle only took around 3 or 4 switches from hot to cold to finally crack. The final step of this project is to sand down the edges. I was going to use the wine bottle as a vase, so I wasn't too concerned about the edges being too sharp. And in the standard kit for the Kinkajou, you get 3 pieces of 80 grit sandpaper, so those come in handy. This is a boil-in soda bottle, and you want to make sure that you sand the inside rim, the outside rim, as well as the top of it if you plan on using it to drink out of. So this is the finished product. The vase came out really nicely, and so did the glass.